Alright, today I got a wing for my Lexus 250. I'm gonna put the wing on. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You gotta get the alcohol, paper towel, squirt it in it. A little bit. This is why I get the dirt and make sure it sticks really good. So I usually want to do this real quick. Probably use a microfiber cloth. I probably scratch and everything, but this car got a little bit of scratches, so I ain't got some dirt on it. That's what you want to have. Let's dry it off a little bit. I'm gonna show you the wing. Got it from like Amazon, all black. It got screw holes. I ain't putting no holes in my trunk to install it, but I got the 3M somewhere around here. Comes with 3M. I'm just gonna flip it. And just trace the line right here and inside and call it a day. So this is how it's gonna look like when I put the 3M. It's gonna look like this. I'm excited. So let me just peel this back, set this up. Yeah, today is a nice day to do this, so that's why I'm taking advantage. Feels like about 50 degrees or maybe 55 or something. I'm burning up. I already did the tip beside the steak, and now I just gotta send this. See if I can do this right. I should have got the tape to hold them. I need the tape. This side needs to tape more. I'm gonna run in and get some tape and put this down. So I can have the pressure, see, like that. So, and leave it on for the rest of the day, just to adhere to it, and let the sun, since it's a beautiful day, let the sun bake a little bit, and it should stick, and I'll give you the updated results. All right, so I put a little painter's tape just to hold down the edge, like it can put pressure on it and to adhere into the car, and I let the sun do the rest, and that's it, and it should last for a while. Well, not it's just gonna fly off, going with the highway. But this is how you store a sticky wing.